of the All India Muslim League and the Indian National Congress. They peacefully protested, demonstrated, held meetings and expressed themselves through elections, as a consequence of which two independent countries, Pakistan and India, emerged. Our constitution is moved in democracy. The people of Pakistan have declared that Pakistan would be a democratic state and that its citizens are dedicated to the preservation of democracy. Citizens have the right to peacefully protest and hold demonstrations and may do so against any action or decision of a government or authority. The right to protest is also implied in the right to assemble peacefully, in the right to form associations or unions, in the right to form or be a member of a political party, and in the right to freedom of speech and in the right to freedom of speech and expression. Failure of
ये इन्होंने फिर क्या किया है? मतलब ये वक्त हमारा ज़ाया क्यों किया ये इस कमीशन ने? ये क्या कर रहे हैं? ये तो कोई फाइंडिंग दे ही नहीं रहे किसी चीज़ पे। मतलब मुझे तो कोई नज़र नहीं आ रही इनकी कोई फाइंडिंग कहीं हो। चलें अगला टर्म ऑफ रेफरेंस देख लें।
Number 3, sir. To inquire into inaction of Pakistan Media Regulatory Authority against broadcasters and cable operators who violated the provisions of law and code of conduct.
अच्छा इससे पहले ज़रा वो भी मेरे ख्याल में देख लें। हमारा ऑर्डर 15 नवंबर का ऑर्डर पढ़ें 2023। अब ये जो आपने पढ़ा ये है जजमेंट 2019 का। 19 है ना?
जी जी।
अभी हम लिख रहे हैं 2023 में। You have it 15 नवंबर।
जी 15।
अगर नहीं आप दे दें।
जी जी है सर। जी my lord. Should I read it out, sir? From paragraph number
15 नवंबर का शुरू से पढ़ लें।
शुरू से पढ़ लें। This court, by the judgment dated 6 February 2019, the judgment traced the history of orchestrated violent protests in Pakistan, paragraphs 20 to 23, and sounded a warning for the future. However, the concerns expressed by us almost 5 years ago were disregarded by successive governments. Review petitions and applications were filed, and these were not fixed for hearing, which hindered the judgment's implementation. No responsibility was fixed, nor was anyone held accountable for the violence of the past. It is not surprising that violence continued to be perceived as a permissible means to attain one's goals. Victims of those striving for an independent judiciary, an inclusive and tolerant Pakistan were disregarded without justice. The nation suffered the consequences, as evident from the recent events of 9 May 2023.
ठीक है ना, we are living, it's proven. Now let's see what paragraphs 20 and 23 of the judgment had said. Have we read those?
So we have read, no, we haven't. We read from 24 onwards.
And this was the,
So this is
it
a page
refers to the 12th May
Ji.
Karachi massacre.
Ji.